नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता अकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग क्लास 9th के हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस में पॉलिटिकल साइंस लेसन नंबर 5 इंडिया एंड अदर कंट्रीज इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाइट कर सकते हैं। यह है लेसन नंबर 5 इंडिया एंड अदर कंट्रीज, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शंस एंड कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट्स। फर्स्ट, the country that has a free international border with India. Options: Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar. The answer is Nepal. Now next. Second, the countries that have tense relation with India. Options: Pakistan and China, Nepal and Bhutan, Myanmar and Maldives, Afghanistan and America. The answer is Pakistan and China. Now next. Third, factors that have an influence on the relations between India and Pakistan. Option first, difference in the world view of both the countries. Second, Kashmir issues. Third, nuclear rivalry. Fourth, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Now next question. Question number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. First, India has an important position among the South Asian countries. The answer is the above statement is true. Reasons: first, India's position in Asia is geographically and politically very important. Second, India is geographically the largest country in South Asia. Third, India has established relations with its neighbors on the basis of values like equality and mutual respect. Fourth, India is economically and the most technically developed or advanced country in South Asia. Fifth, thus, it is natural that India has a great influence among the South Asian countries. Now next. Second, Sino-Indian relations are friendly. The answer is the above statement is false. Reasons: first, there is disagreement about Sino-India borders. Second, there is disagreements on the issues of Tibet. Thus, this issues has been responsible for the conflict between the two. Third, China has invaded India in 1962. Fourth, the growing friendship between China and Pakistan is a threat to the security of India. Fifth, India has made many attempts to improve relations but has not met with much success. Now next. Third, India sent a peacekeeping force to help the Sri Lankan government. The answer is the above statement is true. Reasons: first, there was political instability in Sri Lanka after 1985. Second, the differences between the Sri Lankan government and the Tamil population resulted in political instability in Sri Lanka. Third, India wanted a peaceful resolution of the differences between the Tamils and the Sri Lanka government. Fourth, so in order to help the Sri Lankan government, India had sent a peacekeeping force. Now next question. Question number 3, complete the following chart. Numbers, treaties or exchanges, countries. First, Simla Agreement, India-Pak. Second, McMahon Line, India-China. Third, sharing river waters and shared borders, India-Bangladesh. Fourth, import of natural gas, India-Myanmar. Fifth, civil nuclear agreement, India-America. Sixth, infrastructure development, communication, health, India-Maldives. Seventh, summit conference 2015, India-Africa. Now next question. Question number 4, explain the following concepts. First, Simla Agreement. Answer is first, even though the 1971 war was about the creation of Bangladesh, it had the dimension of the Kashmir problem in it. Second, after the defeat of Pakistan in Indo-Pak War of 1971, Simla Agreement was signed by the Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, in 1972. Third, it was agreed that the outstanding issues between India and Pakistan should be resolved bilaterally. Fourth, it provided a new format to the interaction between India and Pakistan. Now next. Second, Indo-Nepalese Friendship Treaty. Answer is first, Nepal is a landlocked country and is provided access to the outside world by a free international border with India. Second, the foundation of friendship between India and Nepal was laid by the Indo-Nepalese Friendship Treaty in 1950. Third, according to this treaty, Nepalese citizens can not only enter India but they are also permitted to take up government job and carry on trade in India. Now next, third McMahon Line. And the answer is first, the border dispute between India and China is related to the McMahon Line. Second, China claims that the area of south of Aksai Chin and McMahon Line or Arunachal Pradesh is Chinese territory. Third, China is not willing to accept McMahon Line as international border between India and China. Fourth, India made several efforts to sort out this dispute by means of dialogue. Fifth, thus, this has given rise to a border dispute which led to the Chinese invasion of India in 1962. Now next, fourth, Indo-Afghanistan relations. The answer is first, there is a lot of political instability in Afghanistan. Second, with the return of normalcy in Afghanistan, India has extended help to bring peace, security and stability, cut violence and establish a democratic government. Third, India is helping Afghanistan in re-establishing communication facilities, build roads, schools, health facilities and irrigation projects. Fourth, India is also extending cooperation in the field of science and technology. Now next question. Question number 5, answer in brief. First, explain the background of cooperative relation between India and America. The answer is first, America has been India's most important trading partner. After the end of the Cold War, military relations between both the countries increased considerably. Second, India adopted free market economy in 1991, which further strengthened trade relations. Third, there was tension in relations between two countries because India conducted nuclear tests in 1998. However, India managed to convince America that it will use nuclear weapons responsibly. Fourth, India-America relationship was totally transformed and led to increasing cooperation between India and America. The Civil Nuclear Agreement signed in 2005 and approved by the US Congress in 2008 was a landmark event in Indo-American relations. Now next, second, give some information about the efforts taken by India for the establishment of democracy in neighboring countries with examples. The answer is first, India had helped in the emergence of Bangladesh in 1971. Second, the former East Pakistan had linguistic differences and political conflict with West Pakistan. Third, India actively supported the movement which tried to free Bangladesh. Bangladesh willingly accepted democracy under the guidance of India. Fourth, India has helped Nepal and Afghanistan in establishing democracy, peace, security and stability. Now next, third, what is the role of South Asian Association for regional cooperation? The answer is first, in 1947, when Pakistan was created, it had two parts, West Pakistan and East Pakistan. Second, there were linguistic and political differences between East and West Pakistan. Third, the political conflicts led to the emergence of the movement to free Bangladesh from the dominance of West Pakistan. Fourth, India helped Bangladesh in its freedom struggle. Thus, Bangladesh was formed in 1971. So friends, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 5 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.